everybody, welcome back to another episode of My Mom's Recipe Box. I'm so glad to see you guys. If you are watching us for the first time, please subscribe. Please, right down there. Okay? And if you've been watching us and you would like what you see, thank you, and please subscribe. And then to everybody who has subscribed, thank you. Okay, so today we have a very exciting episode, a very spicy episode, and we are going to be making a jalapeno sauce two different ways, okay? And this is the creation of my brother John, and I know you're gonna love it. And if you really, really like it, let us know, and we will tell you how you can purchase it in the future, okay? So without any further ado, I'm gonna introduce my brother John. Hi, John.
Hi, cheers everyone. Yes. Happy holidays.
So John, tell us what you're going to be making for us today.
All right, let me give you a little backstory on this. We went and visited some friends in Irvine, Mission Viejo exactly. And he had cooked us eggs in the morning, and he goes, "Oh, you got to try this jalapeno sauce from Trader Joe's. It's outstanding." So I tried it, and I'm like, that seems very simple. And I just looked at the ingredients pretty much, and I read it, and I was like, well, I can make this out of the garden, probably better. And I did, and I brought him a bottle, and he keeps asking me to keep bringing him another, but now it's stays at home. So when we get back, I'm going to show you how I make it. It's very simple, very easy, very fast. And there will be one ingredient I'll put in there that I can't tell you about, but you can use whatever you like. Okay, we're back. I make this in a food processor that my mom gave me, and she'd be very happy to see that I'm still using it. You could probably use the Vitamixer also, which I have in the back, but we're going to go with the food processor. So what we have here are the same peppers for the chili. If you didn't watch that episode, you need to go watch the chili. The mystery pepper, which is in a spicy jalapeno family. I threw in a couple of pepperoncinis, and the main ingredients is my fresh jalapenos out of the garden, already chopped up. And then this is freshly minced garlic.
Okay, now your pepperoncinis are pickled, right?
Pepperoncinis are pickled.
Okay.
That's the only thing that is pickled.
And what's this long green thing right here?
These are my onions out of the garden.
Okay.
And I'm going to show you an easy way to put those in. So I like to put these in first. Just slide them in. And the quantities are, kind of how much you want to make. We have two sizes today. We have a small size where I'll make regular, and then I'll finish it off with the creamy size. Okay? So the best way, I think, for the onions is just a pair of scissors. Just chop them up. And the food processor will almost mince them when you put in all the liquid with it.
Now, if you don't have green onions like these, do you think you could use something like chives?
Chives would be wonderful in this. Yeah, it's any type of that type of green oniony. I actually put extra in because we like that flavor. It depends if you want the jalapenos to overtake the chives or the chives to. But you'll notice when you taste it that you get a little bit of everything. It depends what you get first.
Yeah, the onion smells really good.
Yeah. Fold it over. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't cut a finger off.
Yeah, remember, we're going to be processing this.
Yeah. So make sure everything's off the center. Okay. Now, you could probably use any type of oil. I prefer avocado oil because I think it complements the jalapenos. So I like to fill it pretty much to the top of your peppers.
Okay, so all the peppers and the onion are covered.
Pretty much. And then just for the added flavor, I'll throw some pepperoncini juice in. Okay. And the last thing I use, which you're going to have to use your own spice, it's salt and pepper type of a mixture, which is a secret mixture that I can't share with you. So I'm going to throw that in. But you can use a salt, pepper, red pepper, black pepper, whatever you like. And this is just, I sprinkle a little bit all the way around.
Okay.
And then the next step is make sure it's locked in.
Now, do you have pepperoncini in there right now?
There is 2 pepperoncinis I put in there.
All right.
I chopped up with the rest.
Okay, so now you're processing it.
Yes, I turn it on, and you want to keep it going until almost all the green disappears and mixes with the oil. Sometimes it's a little faster. And you can't mix it too long.
Okay.
And you'll find if you don't mix it enough, it'll separate when you have it in your squeeze bottle. Mm-hmm. It'll separate a little bit and you'll
Just
have to
shake
shake it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour half of it out, and then I'm going to make a creamy style. The Trader Joe's style that Travis showed me from there was creamy. I liked it, but I prefer just the straight, but I like to have the option of both.
Okay.
So the great thing about this is you know what's going into it. There's 0 preservatives. And peppers, as long as they're refrigerated, you could probably keep it for a good 2 weeks to a month, I would think.
Do you think you can freeze it?
Absolutely, you can freeze it. Absolutely. We freeze our onions and mushrooms all the time, and then use them in pasta and anything where you're going to put them in a pan first. And they're delicious. They actually taste better, I think. Okay, you see how now the green is very little specks on the onion? To me, I think that's good. Okay. Now, we could do a finger taste test right now, Susan, if you like.
Okay.
Now, as you know, as peppers, the spice is going to get hotter the longer it sits.
Okay.
So right now, I'm going to do a finger test.
Okay.
And see how it is. That's pretty good. Woo! That's spicy. It's spicy. So the creamy, I'm going to put some sour. All you do is put a little bit of sour cream in to make the creamy one.
So this one is basically done.
This is done.
Okay.
You pour it in the bottle, put it in the fridge, you're ready to go.
So what do you like to eat it on?
Everything. Sometimes I'll just eat it on a chip when I get a burrito. It's more Mexican theme in the sense of those foods. It works really well with. If you really like it, sometimes I'll just put it on a chip, eat it on a tortilla chip. But most of the time, if we have a burrito or eggs, I really like it on eggs.
On eggs, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's it in a nutshell. Okay. And to pour it in here, you can use a funnel. We have 2 different sizes. If it's chunky, we modified this one, and then this is a thin one.
Okay, so how much sour cream would you need to add?
I estimate everything. I would just do 1 full tablespoon. Just boom. About
that much.
About that much. You don't need a whole lot.
Okay, so when we get back, we're going to taste both types of this jalapeno sauce, okay? Come on back.
Hello! Okay, we did this yesterday. We have the spicy, and we have the creme. And Mark, my brother, is gonna
go with the creamy.
Oh, hold on.
Okay.
He's gonna help me taste test these. So, put out a chip.
Here we go. We got the chips.
Just a little bit. I'm not gonna torture you.
Thank you, bro. We got a chip.
I'm going extra.
John's going extra. I'm going light.
It's not even that spicy,
Not that spicy.
but it's very,
Jalapeno.
it's very jalapeno, isn't it?
Absolutely. You get that flavor. It's good.
No, but it's fresh.
That was my sister-in-law off camera.
Yeah, she's good at that. And this is the creme. Favorite. Second favorite. The creme.
Sour cream's always good, right? I like
The
it.
second.
Okay. It's Jet's color is green. Oops, there we go.
Well, it's kind of, yeah.
Here we go.
That is more socially acceptable.
Home run. Absolutely.
No, it's a double home run.
Grand slam, let's call it.
Grand slam. Like, I could eat this all day.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
Wow.
It's really good.
And it's got a little slice at the end, but not,
Not overwhelming.
yeah.
It's just right. I think it's a great amount. Excellent job by the chef. Very, very good. And I think Susan would like to come in and do a taste test too. Let's get her in here.
All right, let's
Okay.
give her a little squirt on the,
So we'll cut, and when we come
on the
back,
chip.
Susan's going to be in the
Hang on,
taster's
just
chair.
hand me a chip.
Oh, now she's doing it with the camera in her hand. That's
Okay.
how good she is.
So here's my chip with my sauce,
Don't mind.
and I'm gonna take a taste.
Wow.
So good. Doesn't it have
We should get
the
Allison
best
in.
flavor?
We should get Allison in.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but can you describe more what the flavor tastes like? Because, no, I'm serious.
Oh, wait, Susan, tell me a moment. Wait, what's the matter? Why? Why?
It's hot.
No, it's not.
It's not hot.
It's not.
Like what kind of hot?
I'm not even close to being
No, what
hot.
kind of hot? Explain it to
Which
the
are-
people.
It's the hot that gets you like down in the back of your throat, and like I feel one of my tonsils are sizzling.
Really? You must
Was
have
that the sour cream one?
Yeah.
Give me the other one.
Baby, try this. It's
I don't
perfect.
want to be on camera.
Okay.
But we'll give the
Baby.
Allison off camera.
I'll try it, but I don't wanna
She's
be
tasting it
on
off
camera.
She's tasting off camera for today, for this time. She'll love it.
Actually, that's not.
She'll love it. I have confidence. She's a deciding factor.
No, it's really, 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 really good.
Mhm.
I
Yeah.
think maybe a little bit too much garlic, but that's the way I like it. But other people might not like that
Okay.
much garlic.
So give me one of the.
Give
This
Susan
one.
a
This one
non-sour
right here.
creamy one.
This is the one.
Okay.
with sour cream.
Now, this
No
is
sour cream. I think.
this is for
Yeah, the
the
garlic is what makes it spicy. Sorry to interrupt again, but
this is for the men with a lot of hair on their back.
there's
But
only
you-
one of those in this room. Well, I don't know.
You put that on a chip or a burrito that you don't have taste buds left. What do you mean they don't have burritos?
Susan just took the whole chip all at once with all the sauce, and she seems to be okay.
This one you can taste more of the onion.
She's tasting the onion more. Okay, good.
You know what?
Okay, tell her.
I actually think the sour cream is hotter. I don't know why.
Is what?
I
Hotter,
feel like
she
the
thinks
sour
it's
cream
hotter.
was a little bit hotter.
Well, it might have. It could be.
Anyway, it's really good. It's a very fresh taste.
Yes, California. Tastes like Southern California.
It's not California. It's Imperial Beach.
No,
And what state is IB in
I
again?
don't know.
Who cares about the state? It's the city and the people that matter.
And the dogs. Don't forget the dogs.
So, babe, is there anything else you want to say?
Thank you all for watching. We appreciate your support. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment. We will be back for more taste tests from both Imperial Beach and Maryland on My Mom's Recipe Box.
Stay safe, everybody.
Stay
Bye
safe.
bye.